Acer is a global manufacturer of computer hardware products, including PCs, laptops, tablets, monitors, and projectors. The company was founded in 1976 and is headquartered in Taiwan. Acer employs over 7,000 people worldwide and has operations over 40 countries. On to the hack. Originally, the company stated that they had suffered a data breach after threat actors hacked one of their servers hosting private documents used by repair technicians. They stated that no customer data was impacted as a result. However, it was later discovered that hackers had started selling stolen data on a popular hacking forum in mid-February. The hackers claimed they had over 160 gigabytes of data. The data had been sold on a popular hacking forum. They claimed the stolen data included technical manuals, software tools, back-end infrastructure detail, product model documentation for phones, tablets, and laptops, BIOS images, ROM files, ISO files, and replacement digital product keys. The hackers shared screenshots of technical schematics for the Acer V206 HQL display and other confidential documents as proof. The hackers stated that they're willing to sell the entire dataset to the highest bidder and would only accept a payment in the cryptocurrency Monero. Most likely because this is one of the hardest to trace cryptocurrencies currently available. Acer confirmed that the company was breached and provided this statement to Bleeping Computers. Quote, "We have recently detected an incident of unauthorized access to one of our document servers for repair technicians. While our investigation is ongoing, there is currently no indication that any customer data was stored on that server." Close quote. This is not the first time Acer suffered a large data breach. In March 2021, Acer was hit by the Revo ransomware gang and received a huge ransom demand of $50 million. Again, October 2021, Acer was hacked twice in the same week by Disorden. They compromised their after-sales system in India and breached Acer's Taiwan servers, stealing employee information and login credentials. In this week's edition of Hack of the Week, Acer suffered a huge data breach containing over 160 gigabytes of data. This information is primarily technical documentation and intellectual property rather than personal information, which is good news for Acer's clients, partners, and customers. The threat actor responsible for this hack is currently offering this information for sale to the highest bidder, which could mean millions of dollars. At this time, it is unclear what the root cause of this data breach was, but we know that this breach is just one in a long string of data breaches that have affected Acer in the past. For more news on cyber attacks and data breaches, subscribe to our newsletter. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and visit our website to learn more about cybersecurity.